Good morning, everyone. Pretty good night's sleep. Just the sound of the birds. It's 5 a.m. and probably time for a coffee. A little ride today into the Lost World. Just heading back now. Weather's closing in. Some beautiful little properties down here. I set up camp at a small reserve called Darlington Park. Now it's on the Kerry Road, about 15 k's from Bow Desert. Now although there is a property here, there are no facilities apart from a toilet. On the banks of the Albert River, this place is really tranquil. Now the Lost World Valley is really a hidden plateau hiding below the Razorback Mountain in the Gold Coast hinterland. First discovered by the O'Reilly's family a few hundred years ago. This place is quiet. There's nothing here, no restaurants, no shops, and very little civilization. We've had a lot of rain, and as you can see, everywhere was emerald green, and especially this time of year is jacaranda season, which are the purple trees that you can see in the videos. A really beautiful spot, great for a bikepacking trip. Having spent the day at Darlington Park, it was now time to pack up again after an early start, probably 5 a.m. I was up 5 a.m., quick coffee, and then pack up and just getting ready to hit the road.
Morning! Heading home today. I had a rest day yesterday and just went out for a ride, did some drone shots, bit of photography, bit of work and a chill. So heading back to Canoga today, 55 k's, hopefully no detours this time. In Australia they have these roads here and they're 1/3 tarmac, change gear, 1/3 tarmac, the rest is gravel, and if you can't fit on the tarmac you have to go on the gravel, which I just did for a bus, which is a bit exciting. So anyway, I'll keep you updated during the day. 55 k's to go. I've done about 4. Beautiful morning, bit overcast, nice and cool. So I'll see you later. Bloody red lights, don't you hate them? I just had a nice little pace there and hit a red light in the middle of nowhere. Oh, halfway to Bow Desert, just outside Shamrock Station. Sorry, move my hand out of the way. Halfway to Bow Desert, so feeling really good. Sun's just starting to come out. Got a bit of a sweat on, so feeling really good. Beautiful morning. Right, back to it. Now I like to try and get healthy stuff for lunches and snacks and things, but this hasn't got any stars on it, so I'm assuming that it's not very healthy at all, but it's bloody nice. So I love chocolate custard. There you go, in a squishy. Suck the guts out of it. Come up that gravel road just there, really corrugated. Oh, it was hard work. Really beautiful countryside out here. This is back in Canoga. Like I said, on the way up, it's horse racing country. And by the looks of it, I'm either about to get dumped on or I've missed it. So I'm just going to have a quick coffee here. I haven't got that far to go actually. I've only got probably 10 k's. So it's been a really good ride back. I'll speak to you when I get back. So I have finally made it. It's 55 k's today. I'll give you the stats when I get all packed up and get home. But I've come into the outpost cafe and got one of these. I think I deserve. This is deserve a pie. This is a chunky beef Guinness and bacon. Now here are the stats for the 2 days taken from my Garmin Edge 1030 GPS. On the first day I did 66.2 k's in 3.5 hours, average speed of 19 kilometers, and you can see the elevation graphs and speed there as well. Now on the second day was 50 k's It took me 2 hours 20 minutes, a slightly faster speed because it was obviously pretty much all downhill, of 21 k's an hour. Now that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you had, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.